Mario. Now how do I start the video? Okay. Hey guys, it's me Valeria, and today I'm gonna be talking about what I do on rainy days. Okay. No, not there. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not already. Turn on the notification bell and let's check into let's see 5 million subscribers and 1600 or whatever likes. So yeah. Okay. So the first thing I do on a rainy day schedule, well, when it's raining, I'm sick. I go to school because there's usually school, and so on Monday I went to school. Whatever. Okay. So I play in the rain. I jump in puddles. I eat chocolate. I watch movies. I eat popcorn. Sometimes. And what is it? I do videos. I already got sick on Monday because it started pouring. Okay, does it look like it's raining right now? No, but it might. Even tomorrow. It's gonna stop raining on Friday. Today's Wednesday. So I eat cookies. I'm actually move it so if you guys can hear it. Okay. So what else do I do? I also what else do I do? And I also with make slime sometimes. I make edible slime, fluffy, what's it called? Butter slime and all that. Jiggly, cloud slime. It's my favorite. What else I do? I look outside. Okay, what else I do? I play with my little cousins. I play with Kayla. She's my little cousin. She's so small. She's like this. And what else? I make TikToks. I go on Instagram. I do Snapchat. I also do Instagram. I post some stuff. I go to Musical.ly. That's the same thing as TikTok. And to my grandma's house, like I am right now. But it's not raining, so yeah. Don't think I'm crazy. How does that sound kind of? Okay. So what else do I do? I stare at flowers. I guess. No, I guess. And I do way more stuff, but I just don't know. So yeah. And this is what Kayla looks like. And that's how Matt looks like. And that's what Aunt Rosie looks like. The nicest aunt ever.
I know.
And
The love of my life.
yeah, her love of her life. And Kayla. Okay, so yeah. Back to me. What did I do?
Please, mi familia. Orchestra, a 1, a 2, a 1. Remember me. No, I have to. Hey!
I need 8. It's so dark here. Okay, this is the thing to turn this to. Now I need the. Oh, wait. No, that's too light. Oh my gosh, it's sweet. We can do everything. Alright. Taylor looking for the husband. Yay! Oh. Okay. Back to looking for the husband. If you guys don't know who he is, he's my brother. How exactly does your blanket look like? What pink one? Pink is for girls. Is that for? I don't know. I was playing Fortnite. There's my PS4. There's my controller. That's my TV. I have everything in my room. Cause I steal all the blankets. Cause I'm always cold. Is it here? Nope. I don't find it. I don't know what it is. Okay. What was I saying? What was I talking about? I was talking about. I was talking about.
What are you doing with that? Give it to me.
To get to 5 million subscribers. Okay.
It's Miguel.
What did I
saw
say?
your papa. Remember?
Okay, we're done with
Papa?
reading stuff. Now we're gonna talk about something else.
Please.
Something fun stuff.
If
Talking.
you forget him, he'll be gone.
Let's do.
Here. This was his
Check out my
guitar,
other
right?
video. I'm
used to
gonna
play
be doing a weird combination video.
There he is.
So,
Papa.
drop a like, subscribe if you're still not subscribed. Hit that,
Mama,
hit that notification bell,
don't forget it.
and yeah, bye.